Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the subscribe and bell icons so that you can't miss our future tech, gaming and tutorial videos. Today I provided details regarding Dji Mavic Air 2, which is now released today. The Mavic Air 2 is expected to ship May 11th. The Dji Mavic Air 2 will be coming in two configuration. Some tech blogs said, the standard package covers the drone, one battery, and the remote control, and its price would be $799. The other one comes with combo deal, covers all items of standard package with shoulder bag, ND filters, charging hub, and 3 batteries, and its price will cost you around $988.